that was a little much. Whoops. I love this. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a collab with my friend Amanda Rozze, and what we're going to be doing in this video is testing each other's favorite makeup products. She sent me a list of her favorite products and I went out and purchased them if I didn't already own them, and we're going to be putting them to the test today. There are quite a few new products that I'm testing. I mean, this is the look we got out of it, so like, trust me, you want to like watch this video, right? Definitely go check out her channel. I'll have it linked down below. You won't be sorry. I love her content. You will definitely love it as well. But yeah, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel for 5 beauty videos a week. And yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so we're gonna be starting off with brows, and her favorite brow product is the Revlon Micro Tip Pencil and Powder. Okay, this is interesting. This actually seems like a 2-in-1 product. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I did get the shade dark brown, by the way. I think this is the darkest shade, at least the darkest shade at Ulta. I see here that if you turn it, it kind of opens and then there's like a powder situation here, so that's really cool. I don't normally go for powders, but we're gonna try to use this. This is the pencil part. I'm gonna use that first. It's a very fine tip. Hopefully it's dark enough. I like my brows to match my hair and be pretty dark. I generally like a black shade. Wow, this is really creamy, but it's not too creamy. It feels a little waxy as well, not in a bad way. Usually I don't really like waxy feels for eyebrow pencils, like the ColourPop one. No, the e.l.f. one. I used to love it, but then I started hating it because it got a little too waxy for my liking. I think this shade might actually work really well. And I think you're supposed to like open this part and kind of like whoa, that is pigmented. Where does the powder come from? I'm very confused. This product is very interesting. It's kind of innovative. And then there's a spoolie on the other side, so I'm gonna use that in a second. This is awesome. If you have really sparse brows, I think you'll really like this product. It's really cool. Oh, the spoolie is nice. It's very firm, so it'll really separate those brow hairs. I like this a lot. She also loves the NYX Brow Glue, which I absolutely love as well as a brow gel. It's really nice. It like separates your brow hairs, but it holds them in place without them feeling hard or crunchy. It's seriously a really bomb drugstore brow gel. His favorite eyeshadow primer is actually the Urban Decay Primer Potion, but I'm not a huge fan of that one because it doesn't have color and I need some help with my eyelids because they're so discolored. I just feel like eyeshadow just works a lot better with my Pee-wee's base. One of Amanda's favorite eyeshadow palettes is the BH Cosmetics Avocado Toast palette. I've never tried this one before, so I did go ahead and purchase it from Ulta. I love BH Cosmetics and I think that they are a totally underrated brand. Look at these tones, perfect for fall. Really excited to dig into this one. I just went ahead and swatched the entire palette. I like to do this with new palettes just to see how they swatch and then figure out what look I'm gonna do. I need to use this shade over here. It is stunning. It's got like a green purple shift almost. In some lights it looks like it's a duochrome. It is so pretty. I love it. I have to use that shade. I've decided I have to use it. I think I'm gonna go in first with what do I do? I say Over Easy. This is like the cream shade, like yellowish beige. I don't know. This is a Rougher 27 brush. That's gonna be the transition shade. It's a gorgeous transition shade. Next I'm gonna take the shade Ripe. This is a really unique shade. It's like a blue green. It's really pretty. I like this shade, and that's gonna go all over the crease as well. It's blending out really nicely. I'm gonna build up the shade a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit more of the transition shade and just kind of help blend out the outer edges. I think these two shades go really well together, like better than I was expecting. I also really want to go in with Guac, which is this shade right here. I think this is deeper. I think the two of these together will be really nice. I might have to deepen out with like the deepest shade in the palette in a bit, but for now I think that's gonna do just fine. It's gorgeous. I love it. The quality of BH is like insane. They have a high-end formula for a drugstore price. Like honestly, it's amazing. I'm gonna take the shade Extra. Like I said, I really wanted to take this one on the lid. Try without a setting spray first. Ooh, I'm gonna take this on the outer half because I kind of want to take a different shade in the inner part. It definitely has like a shift. It is so freaking stunning. I love this shade. I'm gonna just flip my brush over. By the way, this is a Rougher 28, and I'm gonna take Green Juice, which has a little bit of sparkle as well, like a blue purple sparkle, and I'm gonna put that in the inner part. That is gorgeous. They're gorgeous together. I love it. I would like to take Holy Moly, which is the deepest, like it's like a blue black. I want to deepen the outer corner, like bring it into the crease a little bit but not too much. I just want to make sure it's like deepen off, you know? I really like depth in my eyeshadow looks. That's blending so nicely. Moving on to the base, Amanda's favorite primer is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I've been wanting to try this for so long. I'm so excited to finally have purchased this. I held off on purchasing it because I got the Auric Glow Lust when it launched like back in January. I was like, there's no need for two extremely similar products. Amanda did say that I could go ahead and use a pore filling primer, but I don't think she does. I think she just uses this, and I want to use this exact thing. Now I did get the shade 3, which is light medium, which might be a little dark on me today. I was using a gradual self tanner when I purchased this, and I was like, I'll be self tan. I'll be using the gradual self tanner, and lo and behold, no, I'm not. So it's gonna be a little dark on me. It is what it is. We're just gonna roll with it. I mean, it doesn't have that much coverage. It's just basically a primer. I'm gonna put that all over the face and then blend it in with my sponge. I always see her using it in this manner. It always looks so good on her. We're gonna do the same thing. She said somehow it smooths out her skin as well. I would love that. Just love how glowy my skin is right now. Wow, I'm excited for that. Her favorite foundation, I think she actually uses a mix of them. I'm pretty sure that's what she told me. She likes the Rare Beauty foundation, which I gotta be honest with you, I'm not a huge fan of. They did send me the shade 130N, which is really light on me. I did get this in PR. I requested this shade, so I'm stupid. But she also likes mixing that with the Makeup Forever Reboot foundation. I love Makeup Forever foundations. I have not tried this one, so I'm very excited to try this one. This is a shade Y225. I'll be honest with you, I think this is a little dark on me right now. It's probably for my gradual self tan phase. We're gonna put a little bit of that on the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit of the, look at how crazy. That's like an insane difference in shade, but whatever. I'm not sure exactly how she uses this. I don't remember. Let's see if I like this mixture. I might. I just think that the Rare Beauty, it actually emphasizes my pores quite a bit. I always have to like make sure to use a very smoothing primer. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the Makeup Forever, try to mix that in. I believe that this Makeup Forever is a sheer coverage. Let me check. This brightens, smooths, firms, hydrates, and evens out. Its luminous finish instantly revives a dull complexion, and its silky smooth texture provides exceptional comfort on the skin. I should have really used this one alone to see how I like it. I've heard that it's like not a very full coverage. I love the HD foundation. The HD foundation stick is my favorite foundation of all time. I even have the HD foundation palette, the cream palette for my freelance makeup artist kit. I just look really pale. I'm looking so dewy. I love this. We both have dry skin, so it's suited for us for sure. This combo is giving me life right now. Does that look better to you guys? Oh my gosh, I'm still playing around with my white balance. I'm gonna say this in every single video, but I don't know how to do my white balance with the lights in the back, so it is what it is. I like this so far, but I already see my pores are very emphasized. I just don't really like this Rare Beauty foundation all that much. For concealer, she uses a mix of the Tarte Shape Tape Creamy Concealer along with Rare Beauty. The Rare Beauty concealer, I don't remember how I feel about it, to be honest. It's the shade 110, and this is so light, but we'll put this in the very inner part of our under eyes as well as the inner part of our face. And then this is the shade 22N, which is light neutral, and the creamy concealer, which I do actually like this one. This one is quite a bit darker. So maybe the two of these together they'll work together to make the perfect shade for me right now. I actually think I really like the combination of these two. It's giving really nice coverage without looking cakey, and my fine lines are not emphasized at all. It's also brightening quite a bit. I never would have thought the combination of those two would look good, but they do. I go in with powder. I want to use the Milk Makeup bronzer. This is one of her favorite bronzers. I'm also going to be going out with a different one after this, but I love this bronzer, so I thought I would just layer them. I normally do layer them. I actually haven't in a while, but I'm gonna use my 125 face brush from Fenty. I think this was a little stained, but hopefully I could still get this to work really well. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is her favorite. Honestly, I've said in the past it's not my favorite personally, but I've been using it lately, and I actually did purchase this for my kit. It's not going to waste. I use it on clients all the time. I like to press the powder in with a sponge, not bake, but just press it in with the sponge. It kind of makes my concealer look just like a lot more smooth. That powder is just so drying. It already made some creases on my under eyes. I just have so many other better loose setting powders that don't do this. Can you guys see? Am I crazy? I don't think it works for me. That's just me personally. Under eyes, I'm gonna take the shade Pit. I want to use as many shades in the palette as possible. I've been doing like a different lower lash line lately, and I've been loving it. I'm gonna take it on a pencil brush and put it all on the outer half of my lower lash line. This is a Refer 03 brush, by the way. I'm gonna go in with Paprika and blend that out. There's quite a bit of fallout with those shades, so that's annoying. Then we're gonna go in with Pink Salt. I'm just gonna take that on the fluffy brush and just kind of blend that. And then in the inner part of my lower lash, I'm gonna take Expensive. This is a gorgeous like rose gold shade. I've been loving putting shimmer on my lower lash line lately. I think it looks so pretty. On the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Lemon Pepper, which is this one right here. This is a little underwhelming, so I might pop Avocado over it. Yeah, let's pop a little bit of Avocado. Beautiful. I'm gonna take whatever's left on my brow bone. That was a little much, whoops. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to take the Makeup by Mario. This is the Master Pigment Pro pencil. I have never tried anything from Makeup by Mario. She said this is one of her favorite eyeliners. We're going to go ahead and try it. This is the shade Super Black, by the way. This is made in Italy and it has an 18-month shelf life. Cool. So it's dual-sided. That's cool. It has a brush. I never knew that. You know, I've never seen reviews on this product at all. But I think I'm just going to use it in my waterline, to be honest. I don't know how else I would incorporate this. Oh my god, it's so creamy. Let's go ahead and swatch it real quick. It is so creamy, but not like ColourPop creamy. It's nice. I like it. We'll do a little tiny like little situation up here. I tend to do that anyway when I wear lashes, just to like kind of mask the lash band. And then we'll use this. That actually kind of hurts. It's like a little hard, but it's not bad. It looks good. Wow, I like it. She really loves the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer, which is one of my favorites of all time. I already know I love this product. This is the shade Medium, by the way. I like it. I think it's perfect for me, even when I'm not self-tan, because you can just kind of like take a lighter hand and blend out and it'll be just fine. For blush, one of her favorite blushes is the Essence. This is the Mosaic blush in the shade All You Need Is Pink. This is gorgeous. I love Essence blushes. I only own one, but this is my second one and I'm sure it's gonna be just lovely. I'm just gonna tap our brush all up in there, tap out the excess, and then ooh, that's a gorgeous color. Okay, I like to go in with setting spray before I go in with highlighter, so let's go ahead and do that. Her favorite is the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. She also mixes it in the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray, but she said to go in with this one first, so it like meshes everything, and then this one is for longevity. I've never tried this one before though. I don't know why, but like I've used the Continuous Setting Mist, but I've never used the Luminous Setting Mist. Let's see the mister. Oh, it's very similar to like the Fenty sprayer. Oh yeah. It's such a fine mist. Ooh, I love this. Already I can tell you I love it. Let that dry down a little bit and then we're gonna go in with just a few sprays. This is for longevity. And then we're gonna go in with highlighter. She loves the Revlon Skin Light Prismatic Highlighter. I have the shade Daybreak Glimmer. I'm pretty sure I bought this because of Manny though. So I'm glad that I get to test it out now. Let's go ahead and take some. This is a Moda brush. I don't know the name of this brush, but wow. This is really subtle, but so smooth and gorgeous. I love the shade as well. Oh, it feels so nice when you swatch it too. If you like a subtle highlight, you'll love this. I think you can build it up. I love it. For lips, we have a bunch of options, but I know for a fact she goes in first with the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in the shade Iconic Nude. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with that and then I'll decide what lip color I'm gonna go for after. The formula, it's really creamy, but it's not like too creamy. This is a very nice neutral color. She always raves about the KKW lipsticks, so I did get 3. I have 2.5, 1.5, and 1. Actually, she uses Nude 1. I remember not liking these. I got them back in the day when they were super popular, of course, and just released. So this is Nude 1. It's like a very nude peachy, like light peachy. This is 1.5, which is probably just gonna be a little darker. Yeah, I just remember these being so soft. And then this is 2.5, which is more of like an orangey based nude. I think I'm gonna go with her favorite and do Nude 1, and I'll just put them in the center and kind of like blot it. Oh, I love the ombre lip, the ombre effect. Actually, these don't seem that soft. I love the ombre effect though. She also likes to go in with the Juvia's Place Cola Luxe Liner to like deepen out outer parts of her lip. Wow, that's a gorgeous color. It's really dark on me though. She's a little tanner than me, so I'm just gonna do like an ombre effect. It'll give it dimension for sure. I like the formula of this a lot. It's really like waxy in a good way. this lip combo is really nice. She also goes in with a gloss. We have two options here. This is the Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker Lip Plumping Gloss. Her favorite is actually Rose and Shine. Let me tell you, when I drove around my entire city to find this, I did. They only really sell it at Walgreens and Target. Target was sold out even online, so I couldn't even order it, but I'm excited. This is a little more pinky than I want to go today, but we're still gonna do it because I think she likes it. But I also, by the way, got the shade Spun Sugar, which is more of like a white clear. Yeah, it's pretty clear, so I think it'll work nicely. Let's go ahead and try it. This is supposed to be a plumping gloss, so not a lot gets dispersed in this wand. There you go. It's nice. It's not too sticky and goopy. I personally prefer a little bit more sticky and goopy, but ooh, I'm starting to feel the tingling. It's not too bad. I like it. I think it adds a lot of dimension to my lips. I love it. For mascara, she likes the Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara. I tried this a long time ago and I wasn't like in love with it, but we're gonna try it again today. She also loves the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, but she only uses it on the lower lash lines. So we're gonna try that today too. Be going in with lashes anyway. I like to put on mascara before lashes, so that's what we're gonna be doing. Just show you guys the wand. It's curved. It is a plastic wand. This volumizes so well, but I also see the length it's giving. It's really nice. I've never seen a mascara give me this effect right away. It's crazy. The heck, guys, I love this mascara so far. We're gonna try the Thrive, so I can see why she would like this for the lower lash line. I believe this is a tubing mascara. Let me tell you, this package feels really heavy. This is a flake-free tubing technology for instant, longer and thicker lashes. It's got orchid stem cell complex. It helps stimulate longer and healthier lashes. Let's see what the wand looks like. I've been wanting to try this one for so long. It's got a plastic applicator too. Yeah, the wand is perfect for the lower lashes, but the fact that it's a tubing mascara probably means there's no flaking and it's not gonna smudge or make you look like a raccoon by the end of the day, so that's always a good thing. For lashes, her favorite are from Lily Lashes. These are the style Mykonos, which I've actually used in the past. These are so pretty. I'm a huge fan of the Lily Lashes. These are the faux mink, by the way. They are gorgeous. I did trim them a little bit because I prefer lashes that just kind of taper out and aren't as long, but I could see why she likes these because they're actually like short length lashes, but they're also very full. I think that these are really easy to apply. I like Lily Lashes. I recommend them for beginners all the time. Personally, I like lashes that are a little longer though, so I remember this style not being my absolute favorite, but we'll definitely get my use out of these. Okay, so this is the final look. Now, I was gonna do a wear test, but it's kind of like 6 o'clock p.m. but I will keep you guys updated. I really like this foundation a lot and I love the combo. I think my base looks so good and I have no idea if it's due to this stuff. This stuff is like magic. Like, it looks so flawless without a smoothing primer. Who would have thought? My concealer's okay. I don't know if it's the powder that I set it with that I'm not like absolutely loving, but yeah, my favorite thing about this look though is the lip combo. This combo is life. She's genius for it. I love the eyeshadow palette. I think it's so beautiful. The formula is amazing. Again, BH has one of the best formulas out there. You can't go wrong, and it's very, very affordable, so I love that. I love the brow product. That Revlon brow pencil I am a huge fan of. I think it's really, really nice. The highlight is also super stunning. I love the shade. I love how smooth it is on the skin. It's like subtle, but you could build it up. It's gorgeous and I love it. Oh, I also really like this, the Makeup by Mario eyeliner. I think it's really, really nice. This is bomb. This makes your makeup look so flawless and luminous and gorgeous. Oh, the mascara. I want to try this mascara on its own, like just without wearing lashes, obviously. And I also want to try the Thrive one as well. I will definitely keep you guys updated on these products. I'll keep you updated on how the foundation wears. I think that's everything I have to say. I think that this is such a flawless look. I think that these products are stunning. Definitely go check out her channel. I'll have it linked down below. And yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, so we are going to be, so Amanda's favorite eyeshadow palette is the, so one of them, moving on to the base. I want to do some under eye situations. What am I saying? For mascara, she loves the Maybelline